Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Crashes Her Car Driving Home, Becomes Angry. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they are talking about.
On February 26, 2025, police respond to a vehicle crash involving a suspected intoxicated driver.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. Everything okay with everybody on the scene? Okay.
I want you to very safely, okay? No. It's already in park. It's already in park. So I just need you to step out of your car, okay? All right. See that button there to stop the engine of the car? Hit that button, please. Hit the button. What's your name? Barbara? Hi, Barbara. Can you turn off your car? Okay, Barbara. Now, I'm gonna come around to the other side, okay? All right, perfect. She's wigging out. All right, can you step out for me? You got your seatbelt still on? Yeah. Good. Come on out. Yep. You can bring your phone. Please do. All right. You're not gonna bring your phone, your wallet? All right, go ahead and stand over here for me. Yep, over here. All right, over here. Okay. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay, you're not acting like you're fine. Okay?
Why?
I understand that you're very stressed.
Man, she an old Thundercat, huh? She got the tramp stamp with the granny panty thong joints. Okay.
All right. You're not gonna bring your phone, your wallet? All right, go ahead and stand over here for me. Yep, over here.
Okay, yeah. She's been around the block a couple of times. Once you see these, okay. Old Thundercat. What?
All right. Over here. Okay. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay, you're not acting like you're fine. Okay?
Why?
I understand that you're very stressed out because you got into a car crash. Have you taken anything today?
No, sir.
No, you haven't taken
No.
anything, okay? Where were you on your way to?
I just left the gym.
Gym?
Okay.
Okay. What was your workout today?
I had UFIT.
You fit?
Yep.
Okay. What'd you do? Arms, legs, abs?
Arms.
Pickleball?
legs. I don't know what pickleball is, but
Okay, cool. So, listen, I wanted to get you out of the car, okay?
Okay.
Because you're having a hard time following my instructions, and there was a couple of times there you put the car in drive with my CSA in front of you, okay? So I don't want her to get hurt, so I brought you out of the car, okay? So tell me, how did the crash happen?
I don't know. You tell me.
No, you were the one there, I wasn't. So how did the crash happen?
Okay. You told me to pull over by pushing your headlights on.
Before that.
Okay. So before I left the gym,
Yes?
you put your headlights on and told me to step out of the vehicle. Okay? Which I did. I don't understand what I have done between pulling over and taking my seatbelt off.
Okay, so you don't have any memory of the crash whatsoever?
No.
No? You don't remember? Okay. What did you do before you went to the gym today?
Oh, let's see. I ate breakfast.
Okay.
Okay. I make a protein shake.
Okay.
That's normally what I do. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to make silly of what you're asking me. I understand it's your job. Okay. But I don't know what else I can do and I don't understand why there's this many officers here.
Okay. Where's the gym from here?
Okay, so you fit at it used to be the mall, which now it's really not. Okay. That's where I go to the gym.
Do you not want to go to the hospital when you have no injuries?
No.
Okay. You taken anything today?
No, sir.
Drugs, alcohol,
No, sir.
prescription medications?
No, sir.
Okay. And where do you work out?
I work out Planet Fitness.
Okay. What city are we in right now?
Boynton Beach.
Answer our question.
I don't know. Where are we going with this?
I think you guys
All right.
are
Well,
good.
let me
I
ask
think
you
you
this
guys are good.
question.
So you were involved in a vehicle accident, you hit someone, and you've given some confusing answers, so they'll take it from there. driver's license
Can
is
you
in.
get your driver's license for us, please?
Don't walk out on the street.
Then
That's oncoming traffic.
Hold on.
So
So-
that would be the direction you
okay.
want to take.
Right this
So
way.
where would you like me to go? This way?
Yes. Hey, do me a favor.
Yes, sir.
Let's put this back. Okay. Let's put this back in there.
Okay. Sir, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not trying to make fun of
Okay.
what you're doing, but.
Can you get your driver's license for
Oh
me?
my God.
Do you know where that is? Okay. Can you grab your driver's license for me?
Okay. Oh my gosh.
I know you. We've met before. Not in this uniform. I used to serve you at Flanagan's all the time, you and your ex-husband. Listen.
Okay, what's my? Oh,
Hold on.
What's my? What's
here.
his name? What's his name?
It's the big bag. Pat.
Okay.
Pat. That was your ex-husband.
No, I'm getting a look. No.
Okay, but listen.
I don't know.
Listen. Listen to me, Barbara. Right now, you've got two choices, okay? Listen. You're going to go with FD, and we're going to find someone to come take your car, a friend of yours. We'll call a friend of yours. Listen to me, Barbara. We'll call a friend of yours to come take your car, okay? That's going to be your best option, because the other option that we have is going to be way worse, okay? Do you have someone that can come take your car? You have a friend that can come pick up your car, Barbara, and you're going to go with FD. I'm telling you right now, that's going to be your best option.
You're making a bigger scene than it has to be. Stop. Okay, you see what you're doing?
I know what I'm doing. I'm saying that you refuse all assessment and vitals
Not what I said.
against our medical advice. And that's your right to refuse all assessment and
Then
vitals.
why are you making a big scene? Why? All I remember is being pulled over, okay? I'm on my way home. All I remember is the flashing lights, so I pulled over. I don't know what is going on.
I give you a moment to try and
I'm
recall.
trying to understand.
Okay.
What the heck is this many people pulled over for me? For what I did or
So
what I
what-
didn't do?
Okay, so what did you do? Is what I want to ask.
I'm trying to figure that out. Do you understand?
Okay.
I'm not saying you guys are wrong.
Okay.
You guys are right.
Okay.
But do you understand what this feels like to me?
Okay, so let me ask you this. Do you remember being in a car accident? No.
No. I remember tapping. I remember.
In which direction were you? Where were you coming from when you remember
I'm
tapping?
gonna be honest.
Okay.
Was I completely paying attention? No. Was I fucking with my radio? Yes.
Okay. Were you wearing your seatbelt?
Yes. I
Okay.
always wear my seatbelt.
Do you take any medications for your health?
Yes, I do.
What do you
I
take?
take Xanax to go
You-
to sleep at night.
you take
okay?
Xanax?
I take Xanax. I don't use it. I
Okay.
have not slept in 3 nights.
You haven't slept at all in 3
I
nights?
haven't slept in 3 nights. I finally got to sleep, and I decided to get up and try to work out. Okay? That's it. I don't understand that.
Okay. Did you take any Xanax today?
Yeah.
When?
I don't know. Let's see. Something 8 or 9 o'clock this morning.
8 or 9 o'clock this morning? How many did you take?
I'm prescribed 2 milligrams a day or as needed.
Okay, so how much did you need today?
I took 2 milligrams,
You
which
took-
is 1 whole bar. I split it in half, or I split it in quarters.
Okay, so how many bars did you have?
I just told you 1, but I cut them in half. I cut them in pieces.
Okay, so you cut them in half, but then you take the whole thing?
Not at once,
Okay,
okay?
okay. So the last time you took any was this morning at about 8 or 9 o'clock.
That was the first piece.
And then
okay?
when did you take the second piece?
I don't know, sir. I don't time it. You know, I haven't slept. I'm tired. The fact that you're asking me this is confusing me.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, I don't want to be treated like a criminal.
Oh, you're not being treated like a criminal. I'm here asking you questions.
Right.
Right? I'm being very cordial
it's-
with you. Okay? I'm just wanting to get some clarification because some of your answers are very confusing.
Obviously, because I'm
Can
confused.
you step out of the car for me? All right. Barbara, Can you go ahead and turn around for me? Turn around, face the car. Turn around, face the car. Thank you. All right. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. No.
Stop!
Barbara.
I want to know what.
Barbara, do not make this deep. Barbara, you are under arrest. I need you to.
What?
For DUI. I need you to turn around right now. Barbara, I need you to turn around
Stop
right
it!
Barbara.
Stop! I'll do DUI.
Nope. It is too late for that. Barbara.
What are you doing? I'm calling. Stop!
Barbara.
I'm gonna stop! Ow! You're fucking stop! My arm! What the? Stop!
Barbara.
I didn't do anything! I'm gonna stop! Stop! You're hurting my arm! Dude! Stop!
Barbara.
Stop! Do not answer. I'm gonna stop! You're hurting my arm! You're hurting my arm!
Barbara. Stop.
Stop, please! Stop!
Honestly, she could have got out of that if she didn't start. Womp, 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 womp. She could have went with fire department, refused services, had someone pick up the car. That'd be the end of the service. That'd be the end of it. You know what I'm saying? But the officer did a great job trying to get some more information out of her. And once she admitted to taking Xanny bars, it was a wrap. It was a wrap after that.
Stop! Stop!
There you go. Go.
I was doing! Stop! You're hurting my arm! Stop! Stop! No!
Sit her down.
You're hurting me!
Sit her down.
Barbara.
Sit down, Barbara.
Stop!
Sit down.
Stop!
You're hurt.
You're hurting me! Stop! I was doing! You're not answering me! Stop!
Grab the other side.
Stop! Ow! No! You're fine!
Let's go.
No! You're hurting! Stop! Stop! You're breaking! God! You're breaking my... Ow! You're breaking... Dude! You're breaking my arm! No! You're breaking...
Sit inside.
Inside.
You're breaking my soul! Ow!
Inside.
You're breaking my... You're breaking my... Oh my God! I'm gonna sue you!
Did she piss
Stop!
herself?
Stop!
Oh.
Stop!
Inside.
Stop! Oh my God!
Barbara.
Stop! Do you see what you're doing to me?
Barbara,
Stop!
I'm going to close this on you.
No! Stop! You're hurting me! You're hurting somebody! Ow! Ow, my arm!
Hold on.
Ah! Oh my God!
Barbara, relax.
No!
Listen to me. Listen to
Why
me.
are you doing this? Why
Listen to me. Hey.
Look what you did.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
I did! Look what you did to me!
I'm not going to hurt you.
No, I just asked her to glove up.
Huh?
I'm not stupid, man.
gloving up because you're
Stop! You're hurting me.
I haven't hurt you.
You haven't?
Nope.
So how do you know that? How do you know you haven't hurt me? Seriously, how do you know? My arms are numb. My arms are fucking numb.
All right, so
look what you've done to
No,
me.
sit back.
Stop! Please!
I need to walk.
Stop! I can't. Oh my God. Oh
Stop.
my God. Ah! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Stop.
Take that.
Stop.
You gotta losing it.
We can take you for a DUI, or we can add an extra charge on you, which is resisting arrest. Are you listening to me? Okay. So I need you to turn
I
around.
am listening to you.
I'm going to put this
Oh my
cuff on your
God.
other hand.
I cannot.
Do you understand
I
that?
cannot believe this is what's going on in America. What are you doing? Ah! Oh my God! Stop! Stop! Oh my God! Oh my God! Stop! 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 I can't! Please stop! 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 Oh my God! Please stop! Oh my God!
Stop.
Yes,
Stop.
stop! Ow! I can't do this! Ma'am, stop! Stop it! Oh my God,
Yeah,
stop!
you can get that done.
Stop!
All right, back up.
No, stop! Ow! Mother... I swear to God!
I'll hobble you. I'm going to hobble you.
What does that mean?
What does that mean? That I'm going to tie you up.
That means you're gonna fucking...
All right, go get a hobble.
Ow! Please stop!
Grab that through there.
Please stop!
Talk it in.
Talk like I understand.
I'm trying to.
I cannot. Oh my God.
Come on.
You really have no idea. Oh God, please tell me why. Seriously. Ah!
No, seriously.
Ah! Oh my God.
Come on, are these officers not taught any pressure points or pain compliance at all? They should not be having this much. I get it, you know, having a little bit of trouble, but all you gotta do is hit one of them pressure points, man. She gonna start acting right. Why are we still trying to grab her leg and this and that? Why don't you grab the back of her cat? You know what I'm saying? Or grab the neck. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. We gotta get her. Y'all gotta know some pressure points, man. Hit her with that. She gonna, she gonna lock up. You feel me?
I swear to God. I swear to God. Oh my God. No. Oh, dear Lord.
Oh, dear Lord.
Yeah, dear Lord. Yeah. Oh, dear Lord.
No.
Ow! 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 Fuck! Take this shit off of me!
Okay.
Take it off! I swear to God, I will do what you say! I will do! Ah! Ah! Oh my God, dear Lord! Please! Ah! Ah! Yeah. Are you serious? Are you fucking serious? Ah! I can't do this, dear Lord. Ow! You already have. Hello?
We'll have another chance
Okay,
to make things go a little smoother, okay?
please.
So I want to check you out because you look like you got a little bit of blood on your wrist and on your forehead. I want to make sure that you're okay. So fire rescue is going to come and check you out.
Oh,
There you go. You know I smell
damn.
good. Yep.
I'm gonna follow you guys. If anything happens, just we're right behind you.
You have one of those faces like I know you, but maybe not you. Maybe like your brother or something. And walk that way. You guys slide that out real quick.
No, hold on, hold on. We're gonna move that.
Push it there.
That's it.
Go ahead, sit there.
There we go.
Kick your feet that way.
Barbara was charged with driving under the influence with damage to property and obstructing an officer without violence. Her cash bond was set at $2,000. On February 26, 2025, she entered a not guilty plea to both charges. At the first appearance, the court found probable cause, deemed the defendant indigent, assigned a public defender, and released them under supervised own recognizance with conditions including no alcohol or drugs and random testing. Formal charges were filed on March 18th and the defendant appeared in court on March 20th, waiving their right to a speedy trial. However, the defendant failed to appear at the next scheduled hearing on April 7th, resulting in the case being continued to May 15th, 2025.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.